Are you ready to reel in the catch of the day while paddling in style? Welcome to the ultimate guide on the best fishing kayaks that will have you cruising through your favorite waterways with the grace of a dolphin and the stealth of a ninja. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a weekend warrior, these kayaks are designed to elevate your fishing game and keep you comfortable while you wait for that trophy fish. Grab your tackle box, adventure awaits. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Perception Zip 9.5, our pick for best budget fishing kayak. If your idea of aquatic bliss involves not tipping over every 30 seconds, the Perception Zip 9.5 might just be your new best friend. This American-made floating miracle supports up to 325 pounds of you, your snacks, and whatever dignity you have left after your last kayaking attempt. You'll appreciate the built-in cup holder that says, "Yes, you can bring your fancy coffee on the water," while the self-draining scupper holes ensure you're sitting on the kayak, not in a small pool of your own regret. Got stuff? The generous rear storage area with bungee cords keeps your gear secure. Because nothing says adventure like not watching your phone drift toward the horizon. The spacious cockpit welcomes paddlers of all sizes with the hospitality of a grandmother who thinks you're too skinny. Transportation is a breeze with optimized handles, perfect for when you're pretending those bicep curls at the gym are finally paying off. And cleaning? Just pull the drain plug and watch yesterday's lake water disappear like your motivation to do actual exercise. Whether you're exploring serene lakes or pretending to know what you're doing in coastal waters, this kayak has your back. The only limitation? If you're on the heavier side, you might need to leave that cooler of emergency snacks behind. So grab your paddle and your sense of adventure. The water's calling, and for once, you might not embarrass yourself answering. Number 4. Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 Angler, our pick for best equipped fishing kayak. If you've ever dreamed of a fishing vessel that lets you focus on outsmarting fish rather than paddling in circles, the Old Town Topwater 106 PDL Angler is your new aquatic soulmate. At 10.5 inches and a manageable 82 pounds, this isn't just another pretty hull on the water. You'll glide through lakes and rivers with the smug satisfaction of someone who chose brains over brawn. The forward-reverse pedal system means your hands stay where they belong, on your fishing rod or holding your beverage of choice. Let's be honest, you've got enough to juggle without worrying about stability. This kayak stays steady even when you're doing your victory dance after landing that trophy catch. With a 450-pound capacity, it'll happily support you, your gear, and that cooler you absolutely needed to bring along. Storage? Oh, you've got it. The oversized stern tank swallows gear like a hungry bass, while 3 rod holders ensure your fishing arsenal stays organized. The integrated transducer mounting system means your fish finder can do its job without any MacGyver-style rigging. You deserve a fishing kayak that works as hard as you pretend to when telling fish stories. The Topwater 106 PDL Angler isn't just a kayak. It's your ticket to fishing freedom, minus the paddling punishment your shoulders have endured for years. Still searching for the perfect fishing kayak? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Pelican Sentinel Angler, our pick for best tracking fishing kayak. If your current fishing setup involves more frustration than fish, the Pelican Sentinel fishing kayak might just be your aquatic soulmate. This compact wonder was designed for anglers who prefer catching dinner to catching feelings about tippy boats. You'll appreciate the multi-chine, flat-bottom design that keeps you right side up, even when that definitely just a small base turns out to be the lake monster's cousin. At under 10 feet long and a mere 44 pounds, you can transport it without needing to schedule a chiropractor appointment afterward. Your fishing gear will find its happy place with the thoughtfully designed molded carrying handles, accessory eyelets, paddle holders, and rod tie-downs. The sit-on-top design means you can hop in and out with the grace of someone who hasn't spent the last 4 hours sitting in a kayak. Built from Ram X material that's tougher than your excuses for coming home empty-handed, This kayak supports up to 275 pounds, enough for you, your gear, and that cooler of emergency beverages. Perfect for calm waters and slow-moving rivers. The Sentinel tracks with surprising precision for something that costs less than a fancy fishing rod. You'll glide through your favorite fishing spots like a majestic water unicorn, except more practical and less mythical. So trade in those shoreline struggles and rental nightmares. With the Pelican Sentinel, you're not just buying a kayak, you're investing in better fishing stories that actually end with fish. Number 2, BKC TK219, our pick for best tandem fishing kayak. If you've ever tried to share a tiny kayak with your fishing buddy, you know it's about as comfortable as sharing a bathtub with a swordfish. Enter the BKC TK219 Tandem Fishing Kayak, your floating palace of piscatorial pursuits. This aquatic chariot boasts a whopping 595-pound capacity, meaning you, your friend, your cooler of essential hydration, and even your dog can all come along for the ride. At 12+ feet long, you'll have enough personal space to avoid that awkward "are we dating now?" elbow-touching situation. Storage? Oh, you've got it in spades. 2 watertight hatches keep your phone dry, while the rear cargo area with bungee cords holds everything else you've convinced yourself you absolutely need for a day on the water. The real kicker? 6 rod holders. 4 flush-mounted and 2 articulating ones near your adjustable seats mean you can set up a veritable forest of fishing poles while keeping your hands free for important tasks like high-fiving or sandwich eating. Fair warning, attempting to paddle this beast solo is about as graceful as a 3-legged cat on an ice rink. But with your fishing partner aboard, you'll be gliding through the water like aquatic royalty, ready to claim your rightful place as lords of the lake. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Perception Pescador Pro 12, our pick for best fishing kayak overall. If you've been dreaming of a fishing kayak that won't require a second mortgage but still makes other anglers green with envy, the Perception Pro Pescador 12 is your aquatic chariot of choice. At 12 feet long, this bad boy is like the Goldilocks of kayaks. Not too big, not too small, just right. You get all the maneuverability without sacrificing the space needed for that totally necessary 5th tackle box. Let's talk comfort, because your backside deserves better than those torture devices some companies call seats. The Pro Pescador's adjustable throne will keep your posterior happy during those just one more cast moments that mysteriously turn into 4-hour excursions. With a weight capacity of 375 pounds, you can bring enough snacks to feed a small army, or just yourself if you're fishing through lunchtime. At 64 pounds, it's hefty enough to stay put in choppy water, but light enough that you won't need to schedule a chiropractor appointment after loading it onto your car. The storage options are plentiful. Upright rod holders, spacious front and rear compartments, and even room for that cooler filled with fishing enhancement beverages. You could spend more on a kayak with fancy bells and whistles, but why? You're a practical angler with places to go and fish to catch. The Pro Pescador 12 is the perfect middle ground between the inflatable pool toy you've outgrown and the luxury fishing yacht you can't afford yet. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best fishing kayaks. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which fishing kayak you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.